Hello guys, I'm so happy. Oh, the Lord has done it for us again. Oh, the Lord has done it for us. What the Lord has done for me, I cannot tell it. What Ambrish has done for me, ooh, I cannot tell it. Oh, what Ambrish has done for me, I cannot tell it all. He's always there for all of us. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Guys, I just passed my driving exam. I want to urge every one of you guys, don't say because you don't speak the language or you just came to the country. Language is not an excuse for you not to get your patente. Me who is talking to you guys, I don't even speak. I don't even hear. You understand? But with hard work and AmbrishQuickPatente, he makes everything easy for me. With just